The number of downspouts on a home depends on its roof slope and size. For a home that has a small slope, 1 or 2 will suffice. A larger slope will require more than 1 downspout per side of the home. A home's downspout is a pipe that connects to the roof gutters and funnels rainwater away. These features protect the house from water damage and are a vital component of any residential drainage system. The number you need depends on your home's drainage area and weather conditions. Additionally, you'll need to consider the size and the design of your house. The standard size is 2 inches in diameter, but there are larger available. The diameter of the downspout is critical to its efficiency because a square inch is responsible for draining an area of 1,200 square feet during heavy rain. You'll also need to consider how much rain your roof receives. Downspouts can vary in length and shape, depending on the size and location of your home. The longer downspouts will drain water further away from your home, which is useful in areas where rainfall is heavier. To determine the proper length, you can consult a professional gutter installer. They can recommend an appropriate length for your home and estimate the costs.